Hello guys and welcome to a new unboxing, and today I'm unboxing the Adidas x15.1 CT. So unlike the ones with the mini sock attachment, this one has the new leather on the front of it, and this is of course the new colourway that Adidas have launched very recently. Large Adidas logo, which they have on most of their boots now, and that mark there shows that it is leather at the front. They're different to the ones with the mini sock attachment, as you see. There's no sock attachment there, and the colourway continues inside the boot. Fantastic new colourway with the orange and the pink with the black bits on it, going to orange there as well. Nice sole plate, same as the normal x15.1s. So there you have it guys, the unboxing of the x15.1 CT. The review will be coming out in the next couple of days, so make sure you check that out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram where you can see more pictures of these boots. Link will be in the description. So thanks for watching guys.